In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use EngageBay CRM. This guide will walk you through setting up your account, managing leads, and analyzing reports to optimize your performance. Start by creating your EngageBay account. Visit the EngageBay website and locate the option to sign up. After entering your details, confirm your email address to activate your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings area to configure your basic preferences. This includes customizing your pipelines based on your specific sales stages, which is essential for aligning your CRM with your sales process. Next, import your contacts into the CRM. You can do this by selecting the Contacts tab and then clicking on Import Contacts. Follow the prompts to upload your contact list from a file. After importing, add your team members by going to the Team section. Assign roles according to their responsibilities, which will enhance collaboration within your organization. Additionally, configure your email settings and integrations to ensure smooth communication with your clients. Once your account is set up, you can begin managing leads and automating workflows. Use the forms and landing pages provided by EngageBay. After capturing leads, you can assign them to sales representatives automatically by setting up rules within the Automation tab. This feature helps streamline your process and ensures that leads are promptly followed up. Implement automation rules to send follow-up emails, which keeps your leads engaged and reduces manual workload. As you track deal stages, monitor customer interactions closely, you can do this by accessing the sales pipeline view. This allows you to see where each lead stands in your sales process. Consistent monitoring will provide insights into customer engagement and help you respond more effectively to their needs. Automation plays a critical role in increasing your responsiveness and freeing up time for your sales team to focus on closing deals. Finally, analyzing reports is crucial for optimizing your performance. EngageBay provides built-in dashboards that display key metrics related to sales and marketing performance. Review your conversion rates and campaign metrics regularly to identify any bottlenecks in your sales funnel. Adjust your workflows based on these insights to improve efficiency. Continuous monitoring and optimization are essential for ensuring the long-term success of your CRM efforts. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.